So remember that the equilibrium potentials don't typically change inside of our bodies. But in order to make sure that we really understand what an equilibrium potential is, I'm going to have you work through some practice problems where we change an equilibrium potential by changing the concentrations of ions inside or outside of the cell. Now, when we do problems like this, we always have to have a baseline to compare things to. And our baseline is usually going to be given to us in a reference table like the one that you're seeing at the top of this slide, which is talking about potassium. Again, every ion's unique. And what I want to know about that equilibrium potential is how the voltage would change, hypothetically, in response to some kind of change in ion concentration. So how will it change in comparison to the value that you're given? I don't need you to calculate it. Again, no calculator required. But what I really want to know is if the equilibrium potential would become a more positive voltage, a more negative voltage, if it would stay at the same voltage, or if it would become zero. So here's the general solving procedure that you can use to answer these questions. I'd highly recommend that you try to work through some of those questions on the previous slide on your own so that you can try to identify the things that you don't understand about equilibrium potential. Again, totally normal if there's a lot that you don't understand. We are going to solve some of these problems when we're together in class, and I also have some extra practice problems for you to work on as well, but you will get some practice doing it.